Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be discussing about the Government of India Act 1935. The Act has been formulated based on the recommendations of the 3 roundtable conferences that were held between the British government and the representatives from India. The point to be noted here is, Congress attended only the second roundtable conference and it was represented by Mahatma Gandhi. The Act provides for the establishment of an All India Federation which comprises British Indian provinces, Chief Commissioner provinces and the Princely States. This has not been realized because there was no willingness shown by the Princely States. Now let us look at the provisions at the federal level. On the part of executive, the subjects were divided into reserved and transferred. The reserved subjects include foreign affairs, defense and tribal affairs. These were to be administered by the Governor General of India on the advice of Executive Councillors. These Executive Councillors are not responsible to the Federal Assembly, while the transferred subjects are to be administered by the Governor General on the advice of the ministers who were responsible to the Federal Assembly. At the legislature, it is a bicameral one, that is, it has both Council of States and the Federal Assembly. Contrary to the current establishment, the election to the Council of States was direct and the election to the Federal Assembly was indirect in nature. The Act also provides for 3 lists for legislation, that is federal, provincial and concurrent list. The residuary powers are to be administered by the Governor General. Residuary powers implies if a subject does not fall in either of the above 3 lists. Now let us look at the provincial level. Provincial autonomy was given for the first time, which replaced diarchy, which was introduced in the Government of India Act of 1919. Now, the provinces derived their authority directly from the British Crown, unlike earlier, where they were under the superintendence of the Governor General of India and the Secretary of State. On the part of executive, Governor was to be the Crown's nominee, and on the part of legislature, all the members of the Assembly were directly elected. For the first time, women got the right to vote on the same basis as men. The state legislature can legislate on both provincial as well as on the concurrent list. The 1935 Act provides for the establishment of a Federal Court of India at Delhi to solve disputes between the Union and the provinces and between the provinces. Now let us solve this question. Kindly pause the video and then solve. In the federation established by the Government of India Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to Federal Legislature, Governor General, Provincial Legislature and Provincial Governors. The answer is Governor General. For more such videos on basic concepts, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.